Morning, my beautiful friends. How are you today? Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's Wellness Wednesday. Woo, woo. Come on, do it with me. Woo, woo. Do it with me one more time. Woo, woo. Okay, now that we got that out of our system, and while we're waiting for people to join us this morning, how are you bringing joy into your life? See, on Wednesdays, we typically know that Friday is like 2 days away and we can feel it. But that's the anticipation. That anticipation itself brings us joy, but where else can you find joy today? How have you built it into your day every single day? What does it look like and feel like to you? So I'm going to walk you through my morning. It starts off with meditation, and then I was on Facebook or social media for all of maybe 10 minutes this morning. Then I journaled. I pulled some of my cards and I journaled, and I shared an experience with my girlfriend coming over last night, one of my best friends, and we pulled some oracle cards and we just played and hung out and laughed and talked. And, on Wednesday today, we need a reason to find joy every single day. Note, what did I say? Meditation, journaling this morning, and then I go to get ready. And so this is after my shower, and so I have a shower, and then I sit there and have my meditation and my journaling and a little bit of my social media time. And then I go to get ready. And the first thing I do is I put on, I like to listen to Law of Attraction, Esther and Jerry Hicks. I think it's Teachings of Abraham. I love the lessons that I learn every single day. And more importantly, it's about connecting my thoughts with my actions and making sure I'm in alignment there. And then I listen to some affirmations, and normally that's about 5 minutes worth. So then that gives me plenty of time for music, and music means dancing, and dancing means movement. So I'm still on recovery. I'm still doing a lot of healing, but I can tell you, when you catch yourself singing along to a fun song, when you catch yourself swaying to the beat and shaking your hips, and first thing in the morning, all you want to do is share that excitement, oh my gosh, hear this song, or you want to share those songs with your friends because you're feeling so good. That, my friends, is joy. And how are you bringing joy into your life on a Wednesday morning? I want to hear from you. Okay, that's it. Short and sweet today, sending you so much love and joy. And that was part of my morning meditation, was sending love and joy out to everybody in this world, starting with myself, going to my family, and then extending it to the rest of the world. And that too fills me with abundance, so much abundance. Because one way or another, I've learned so much from myself, my family, my community, and the whole wide world. So guys, make it an amazing Wednesday. I love hearing from you. If you like anything that you've heard today or on any of my other shows, please go ahead, follow, share, you know the drill. And when you have a moment, pop into the link in my bio, because I have something there for you. I'm sure I do. Okay, guys, make it an amazing Wednesday. The sun is shining. So are you.